What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at AppGrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 every day from your home. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, 2 people are going to win some free money. So you better do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about this video. One more thing, guys, before I get into this method, please follow me on Instagram. It's going to increase your chances of winning this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. So follow me at AppGrind and make sure you leave a comment in any of my posts. Just put hashtag the grind is real. All right, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because this method is very easy and it's some steps you're going to have to follow. So please watch it all the way to the very end, because I don't want you to miss out on making this $100 every day from your home. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of this website is UpCall. So I'm going to be showing you 2 websites. So this is the first one. And what you're going to be doing is making money just making phone calls. So it says here, become an UpCaller. And you're going to earn a minimum of $12 an hour by calling from home. Join the world's fastest growing calling community. Be the voice of great companies. And it's free to sign up. And check this out, guys. This is trusted by over 400 plus companies. And these are not just any companies. These are big Fortune 500 companies. So you got Ritual, you got Farmers Insurance, you have LG, Airbnb. So you have a lot of big time companies that are trusted, that trust this website, guys, and use this website. Now let's scroll down here and learn a little bit. Let's scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this website, how it works. So you're going to create a profile. The second thing you're going to do is start calling, and then you're going to start earning money. And it says down here that this is a world-class platform and it has intuitive dialer. So for each call, you can see the script, call task, information about the contact and the client, and much more. So guys, you're not just going to be out there just trying to wing it. They're going to guide you, and you're going to have a script you're going to be reading from. So it works on your browser. So if you have a PC or laptop, it's going to work very easy. Now you got to have a microphone because you need to be clear when you're on the phones. And it's real-time earnings report. So you're gonna be able to access call histories, durations, reviews from clients, and statistics. And you're gonna have a weekly Facebook discussion. So they have a Facebook group. You'll be able to join that discussion, and they'll teach you some tricks and tips on how to make these phone calls, because you're going to be talking to people that's been on this website. They're veterans and they know how to make these phone calls. So it'll be very, very beneficial for you to join those weekly Facebook discussions. And let's scroll down here and learn a little bit more here. So here are the frequently asked questions. And basically, they're just going to really tell you everything that we just talked about. But if you want to go in more in detail on a certain subject, like this one right here, does UpCall provide other incentives and bonus? So you want to learn more about the incentives and bonuses, you can, just go right here and learn a bit more. But you're going to learn all that once you join this website. So the only thing is, guys, you got to make sure you get approved. And let's go ahead and look at this one where it says how long it takes to get him to be approved. It says here, hundreds of callers apply each month. We are always eager to bring on motivated callers and aim to respond to applicants as quickly as possible. We usually approve within a few days. You also need to meet the minimum requirements, which is to have a stable internet connection, a pair of headphones, and a quiet place to work from. So that's all you need, guys. And in a few days, they'll let you know if you're approved or not. So this is a very easy job you can do online and make some good money. So go ahead and go to upwork.com, and you're going to put /en/caller. That's how you get to this website. Now, I have one more website I want to show you where you can make some good money working from home. So let me go ahead and go to that website right now. Okay, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Cambly. Now on this website, you're going to get paid to chat with people all around the world. But you're not just going to only just have a regular general chat. You're going to be a tutor. So you're going to tutor these people and help them to learn English. So if you know how to learn English, this job is for you. So you get paid to chat with people from around the world. And tutoring English with Cambly is fun and rewarding. No teaching certificate, bachelor's degree, or prior teaching experience is needed. Guys, so you don't have to worry about any degree from college, bachelor's degree, or any type of teaching certificate. You qualify to do this job just by speaking English. Now, it says here, get paid weekly, so earn for every minute you spend chatting. You make 17 cents per minute. That's $10.20 an hour, and 20 cents per minute, $12 an hour with Cambly Kids. So they have another part of this website is called Cambly Kids. So you'll be working with helping kids also. And you're going to get paid via PayPal. So you need to have PayPal if you're not signed up with PayPal yet, guys. And you're going to get paid every Monday. So every week, guys, on Monday, you're going to get paid. How good is that? Now, you're going to be able to tutor anywhere at any time. So across the globe, you don't need any schedule. Work as little as you want to or as much as you want to, with no minimum hours at all. And you're going to make a global impact, guys. So on Camly, you'll help people around the world build their English language skills in one-on-one lessons. You might chat with a university student from Brazil, a marketing professional from Japan, and an English enthusiast from Turkey, all in one day. So guys, you're going to be talking to all different type of people all around the world, all in one day. You'll be amazed by how much you learn about other cultures and places too. So guys, not only are you going to be helping people all around the world learn English and get paid, you're also going to be learning about other cultures around the world. How good is this job, guys? So that's all I'm going to say about this website. So if you want to go ahead and sign up, join, and start tutoring people all around the world, go to camly.com/en/tutors. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get 50 likes, just 50 likes, guys. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these sites that I talked about today. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one more thing before I go. I have another channel. It's called Random Reg TV. I need you guys to go over there and subscribe to that channel, because on that channel I'm also giving away some free money once I hit 2,000 subscribers. So the link to the video is going to pop up in this video at the top. Click on that, go to my channel, check out my videos, subscribe, like, and drop a comment and help me get to 2,000 subscribers. Now, one more thing. This is the last thing, I promise. One more thing. I have a podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. And on that podcast, I talk about how you can start your own business without any money, how to grow your business if you already have a business, with tips, strategies, methods, and habits that you can practice on a regular basis that will help you increase your business. And also, these habits will also help you increase your life as a person, so you can be a better person. When you become a better person, that means your business will grow. So go ahead and check that out. It's in the description below. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. And please, when you listen to the podcast, leave a message, because I want to invite people on the show, and I can probably help them out by promoting. They can promote anything they want to promote. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. And make sure you drop a creative comment, because next video I might be doing shout outs if you drop a creative comment in the comments below. One more thing, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos, and until my next one come out. Peace.